What's up, guys? It's Wade Lankin. In this hour, I'm going to show you time for weekends and days after school. Parents, then kids. First, parents. Okay, son, it's time to get up for school for the weekend. But Dad, it's only been 3 seconds. What you mean, boy? Get up. Okay. That's what I like to do. Days. Honey, time for school. Mom, I've only been asleep for 1 second. Ow. You won't get whooped again? No, ma'am. Then get up. Yes, ma'am. Good. By the way, it's been 15 hours. Kids. 2 sons and daughters.
Oh, man.
Two sons and daughters. Oh, man, time to go. Sons. A weekend. Oh, man, time to go sleep. Oh, what? It's already been 3 days? God, bro. To the daughter.
Good morning.
No.
Good morning.
I wish I could do it.
Oh, good morning. Time for school.
Days. Man, I'm so excited. School's finally over. What? No. To daughters.
Good night, Mom. Good night, Dad.
Next day. Okay, 15 hours. Oh.
Oh. Whoa.
Like if that ever happens to you, when you stretch, then you get tired and like if that's ever happened to you. But now, when school's over, summer break. Oh, man. Time to go sleep. Off a boy. Summer break's over.
Honey, it's time to get up for school.
Say what the? It hasn't even been a minute, bro. Get up, or else I'm gonna whoop it. Okay, yes, ma'am.
Daughters. Man, I'm really used to only weekends and days. I really miss my friends. I know. Swimming.
Thank you so much for watching this video of the kings and queens. Next video today, the next land animal tournament battle. Oh, I popped my back. I'm a grandpa now. Goodbye.